Yes, aka Little London. We're just about to do an air filter check, change, clean. So what we need to do first is remove the left hand side rear panel, which is a screw which is there. There's a screw which is just underneath here. And then we lift up the front and then pull it off, and then obviously connect the two wires that hold the indicator there. So I'll just take this off and then we can get underneath. Okay, so I can see now that there's it definitely hasn't been serviced in years and years. Overflow pipe is full up, literally full up. I don't think I've ever seen one that bad. That's something I can deal with later. But we're actually here about the air filter. Now, a lot of people tell me, oh, you can't clean them. Well, the manufacturers say that every 1,000 miles you should wash and dry them. And then sort of like after, obviously once you've done this 2 or 3 times, I'd recommend that you do change it. But I've undone all the screws. They're all Phillips screws. I've just left this one on here so I can do this quite quickly and pull that off. And then inside there, this is your air filter. Now actually it doesn't look too bad, which I'm quite surprised really, considering the state of the screw to everywhere else and the dust and the mud. So again, it's 3 Phillips screws. I'm just going to pop this off and then we can just have a look at that. Okay, so I've undone the screws, just going to pop this off. Going to walk outside and have a look in the light, see what's going on here. It actually looks quite clean. Well, you can see that is really clean in now. There's some dust and some bits and pieces inside. Now I use a compressor and I should blow that out and then give it a clean and let it dry out again. And basically that's it really. I mean, that will go again, no doubt about it. I've seen much worse. The colouring's good. And then literally what you're doing is you're going to replace it back exactly how it come off. And there you go, that's your air filter done. It's obviously worth checking this fluid pipe, and I'm just going to see if I can just let me get a tube and stuff. I want to show you what happens, because when this is full up it goes into this little reservoir here. Now this is connected to a pipe that goes through there that goes to your carburetor. So you can imagine if that's full up with water. Now a lot of people say to me, oh Steve, when it's raining it gets very chunky and it chugs along a bit and gets very heavy and bogged down. This could be one of the reasons. Okay, so I'm just going to get a bowl white here, empty this out and show you how much fluid is actually inside there.